Okay, so now I've added my cinnamon leaf, my maize, nutmeg, and vanilla into my pot of boiling water. I'm going to add my cracked corn in. And of course, a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to leave this to boil until the corn is cooked. Okay. So we are making Jamaican hominy porridge. Okay, I'm back again. My hominy porridge. I'm about to add my coconut milk, about a cup of coconut milk. It's about quarter of this pot, I would say. Right, so I'm gonna add my freshly squeezed coconut milk. So I'm gonna add that to my hominy. It's optional, you don't have to, but I prefer to use the coconut milk for this one. All right, so I'm about to add in at least 2 cups of my flour mixture. Just the flour and water, make it to a creamy consistency. So I'm now adding it. And again, we have to keep stirring because this is the time when your hominy can stick and start burning. All right, so I'm pouring in and I'm stirring at the same time so it keeps the flour mixture moving and not clumping. And we don't just pour it in all at once. We pour and we stir to make sure that the consistency is flowing nice and creamy versus clumping and forming little lumps. Slow, stir as you go. Stir the area where you're pouring and spreading it right around until you feel your porridge is coming to a consistency that you're looking for. Okay, I'm gonna sweeten. First, I'm gonna add my evaporated milk. I'm using the Carnation evaporated milk. So I allow the flour to boil into the cornmeal, into the hominy for about 20 to 25 minutes, half an hour tops, just to get the flour cooked, right? Because the corn is already cooked, the hominy is already cooked. So now I'm gonna pour in my milk. I'll use 1 can because I'm making a big pot. Okay, so 1 can of Carnation cream, 1 can of Carnation, 1 can evaporated milk. So I'm gonna let that stir it in. My consistency is really that of the porridge that I'm looking for. It's not burning because I have my fire on low. So as you can see, my spoon is moving around nicely. And it's okay, guys. I add the cinnamon, which is about a drizzle. I'm free-handed, so I cook free-handed. So the measurement is up to you how much you like your cinnamon. I have cinnamon, I have nutmeg, another maybe about half a teaspoon, and I have my vanilla, which is 2 teaspoons. So I'm gonna stir this all in. Okay, you should be in this kitchen. Wow, this is loaded with spices and flavor from the maize, of the nutmeg, the cinnamon leaves, cinnamon powder, vanilla extract, nutmeg, the nutmeg itself besides the maize. So folks, I'm back. My porridge is finished. Making my Jamaican hominy porridge is finished. Before I plate it, I just wanted to show you what the consistency of your porridge should look like. See? Not too watery, not too thick. Right? There we go. And I'll show you when I plate it. We'll be right back.